Welcome to your video tutorial on confident body language. The first thing I want to say is that your body language and your mindset are intrinsically linked. And often it's useful to start with our mindset because our mindset unconsciously influences our body language. Having said that, it also works the other way around. So here's a couple of things that you can do. Say for example, you've got a really important meeting coming up, or you're pitching for a piece of work that you really want. So there's a lot of stakes riding on it. In the privacy of your own home, you can do a couple of things. The first one is the power pose, which I'm sure you've heard about, and that's shown to increase testosterone in the body. And some studies have then since said, oh, I don't know whether it does increase testosterone, but I don't think that matters. It's how it makes you feel that's important. For example, for me, I know that it makes me feel powerful, so I do it. And another thing that you can do, again, this is in the privacy of your own home, is this. Ha! 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 That makes me feel more powerful and more confident. And when you're out in your day-to-day life doing your business meetings or your talks, for example, just check in occasionally. Is your body language open and is it symmetrical? Because that's the body language of confident communication. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.